Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen this face before, hey girl, hey. My name is Tamar, also known as Musings of a Curvy Lady. And in today's video, I'm introducing a brand new series that I like to call HiLow Maintenance. These are all the high maintenance things that I do throughout the month to keep me low maintenance. And today we're starting off with my favorite treatment ever. This is the Buccal Massage. I get this done at least once a month, if not twice. If I could see her honestly every week, I would. But your girl, you know, she needs to be reasonable. But this is one of my favorite treatments to help sculpt and most importantly to help with my TMJ because your girl clenches. So if you're interested in learning what the whole buccal massage is all about, please keep watching. But before I get started, how rude of me, let's go over house rules because if you didn't know, we're currently in my house, but we're not gonna be in my house. But the house rules still apply. I need you to like. Liking helps to boost the video to other girly pops that might wanna know what to do to be high maintenance, to be low maintenance. You know, it's an art. Commenting because we are a community here and we love to yap. So please keep the conversation happening in the comment section. Like what high maintenance things do you do to keep you low maintenance? And of course, I need you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a Curvy Lady upload. Okay, now we can start the video. All right, guys, this is Amela. She is my esthetician. She does all of my buccal massages. I've been coming to her for a couple of months and she's literally been life-changing. The first time I went to see her, I ended up booking 3 more appointments. I came like the next week and the week after because I found so much relief with my TMJ, and then also I looked so good. The befores and afters are so amazing. So Amela, she's been practicing for like over
almost 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
And she's going to tell us more about the buccal massage and what we're going to be doing today.
Yes. We will doing today for you sculptor buccal lymphatic massage. I will later explain how it works. I will massage all your parts from the décolleté, neck, head and upper back. It's nice, it's deep massage. I will open lymphatic system. We can release all toxin from your face.
Yes.
And all that puffiness go away.
Yes. When I tell you deep, it's deep.
Yeah, it's deep.
She's gonna be beating my face. Yeah.
Exactly. You will feel like release. Your muscle, they will feel like more stretch. Why we feel like that all tension is our face and like pulling down our muscles? Because our muscles is tense.
Yeah.
When I massage them and release, yeah, they're
going,
you get that nice contouring.
Yeah.
That puffiness go away and like you feel much lighter. And today for you we will add on microcurrent,
okay,
pure lift, which we call as well like fitness for our face.
Oh, okay.
Because that small powerful advice actually work out your muscles deep.
Yeah,
exactly. And as well you will get more like contouring, lifting and oxygenation in your muscles.
Amazing. So how often can someone do buccal massage? How often can we get this done?
I don't have restriction. They can get every week, every 2 weeks, every 3, 4, 6.
Honestly, if I can do this every day, I would. I always sleep so good after. And a major tip to do, you want to be very hydrated.
Yes.
Before and after to get everything flushed out because we're going to be like detoxing. And then the results. There are immediate results, but what about the next day? What can we expect?
Same, because that puffiness go away. Some people they see it right away. Some people the next day or day after. It depends of your body.
Yeah.
Because what you mentioned, it's really important. Drink a lot of water.
Yeah.
Kind of take relax that day after. Don't go on the sun workout.
Yeah.
Even some people they can get slight headache.
Okay.
Why? Because we release all the tension from our muscles and all blood circulation where they came in our muscles, they can get give you
it's lactic acid.
Yes, exactly.
Lactic acid is what anytime you feel sore,
Exactly.
the soreness in your body, like we would do that in the hospital. We would get flush with IVs to help flush out the lactic acid so that you would get some relief from the soreness in your muscles. So it's the same thing. You have muscles in your
Yeah.
face.
Yes, well, that don't use
we don't
so much.
yeah.
Exactly.
And then
Yeah.
they need to be relaxed, just like we get massages on our body.
Yeah.
So like I can't stress. how
Don't
much-
drink alcohol.
No alcohol. Yeah.
Don't smoke. I recommend. It's really
Yeah.
important. People, they don't mention how actually they can give
Yeah.
them contract
Yeah.
effect. Because how I said, we're releasing all that toxin from our body.
Yeah.
Even, you know, when you get like deep tissue massage.
Yeah,
if
you feel like
Yes, if you don't drink a lot of water, you get after soreness and
Yes.
pain.
it goes back in.
Exactly.
Yeah, we need to
Yeah.
flush it out.
Yes.
So what flushing it out means, we're excreting it either through our urine or feces. So you might have some bowel like action later, but that's normal. Like
Yes.
that's a good thing to get things moving and out of your body, and you will glow.
Yes.
The way that you instantly see the glow, and then the next day when I do my makeup, like people just notice the difference. I love you.
I love it.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah,
okay.
it's really with acne, with
Yeah.
wrinkles, anti-aging, this shrink your pore. How you mentioned that glow after.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
It's like a natural
Yes.
ways for Botox
Yes,
to
exactly.
help like just smooth out wrinkles and keep things tight. So, all right, I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Deep breath. Exhale.
That feels so good. You hold so much tension there. Sometimes after I'll be driving home after and I'm like drunk. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm just like so
Relaxes all.
It's
Most of my clients, they said, "Oh my God, that night I sleep like a baby."
Yeah. You can't do
Or
anything.
even after noon nap they had, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
You can see difference when I finish this left side, how it's puffiness and contouring, it's nice visible, and here it's still puffy,
But we're gonna get there.
and client can feel release in this side
Yes.
comparing with this side.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It feels so much looser and relaxed. I can feel the difference in my face, like from side to side.
And I can feel difference in the muscles, even in texture, skin, when I finish with
That is
massaging. Yeah.
crazy.
Skin became like smooth, like velvet.
Yeah, my makeup always goes on so much better the next day. It's like I got Botox.
Yeah.
Like it's like I got Botox.
Like you don't need primer.
Yeah. So smooth, so glowy. Oh my god. I would have to do that in the hospital when I worked as a nurse. When I was gonna clean up a patient, I would wear like sometimes 3 gloves because like your gloves would get dirty. Instead of like de-gowning, you would just like remove the dirty glove and you would have like your fresh gloves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need like figure out.
Different techniques. But yeah.
Ready? Up. Bite. It's really important to stretch this muscle around our lips because this muscle is kind of responsible for our emotion and stress and holding all that here. Okay, open. Bye.
So microcurrent is like penetrating deep to create pulses.
Impulse what they're going like deep on your muscles and actually work out for you.
It gives you a glow too. It helps.
Yes.
So this is the microcurrent gel to create
the kind of impulse,
the conduction.
Okay, you will tell me if it's too strong or no, or I can later increase.
Go a little less.
You feel? You survived.
It wasn't bad.
It's really nice lifting.
less
Tension.
tension in my jaw.
Here we go, my dear.
I feel amazing. Oh my god. Toes.
Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Your girl is feeling so zen and most importantly, snatch and pain-free because she literally beat the stress out of me. Did you see that? It felt so good. So that is the buccal massage, one of the many treatments that I do throughout the month that might be considered high maintenance, but it helps me to be low maintenance throughout the month. So let me know down below what high maintenance things that you might do to help you be low maintenance throughout your month. But before I go, let me just do a little reminder of house rules. I'm gonna need you to liking helps boost this video, commenting because we are a community over here and we like to yap. And of course, I need you to be a part of the Musings of a Curvy Lady family. Your girl, we hit over 40,000 and that is so amazing. When I first started this channel was back in 2016, I think, and then I took a hiatus. But at the beginning of this year, I literally had 3,000 subscribers. So the fact that there's over 40,000 of you, that is insane. Hopefully we can keep growing this community because I love that the girlies are finding me. The right girlies are finding a place here in the wonderful world of musings. And of course, do not forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a Curvy Lady upload. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.